Hello, I'm Mike Chobotov, Chief Technology Officer for Endologics, and welcome to All About ALTO. Today I'm going to talk about ALTO enhancements from Ovation IX, specifically sealing ring location. The unique features of Ovation and ALTO were the fundamental separation of anchoring and sealing with a dedicated structure to perform each of those functions in a unique part of the anatomy. The proximal stent for Ovation is shown here in the left image, and the proximal sealing ring as well. In between the two is this area that we call the sealing collar with an embedded nitinol attachment ring. The purpose of that ring was to carry and distribute circumferentially the large traction loads of the proximal stent and transmit them to the aortic body. In ALTO, what we've been able to do is substitute for the nitinol attachment ring a series of PTFE fibers throughout the laminate of the graft. This allowed for the manufacture of an inflatable proximal sealing ring much closer to the proximal edge of the graft. As you can see here in this implant, a polymer-filled ring in very close proximity to the edge of the graft. This allows for treatment of patients with necks as short as 7 millimeters. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I look forward to telling you more about the ALTO system.